friends, we came to Little Washington, downtown Washington, and this is pretty cool. It says a menu. It actually has their entrees and stuff written on it. These crabs, they're really pretty. Somebody's very creative. It says welcome. That is Pitt Street Brewery Company on the Pamlico over there. So there is a restaurant. You see the water over there. There's tons of boats, which we'll get to that in a little bit. And this is part of downtown Washington. Friends, look at all these sailboats. My hubby and baby girl. Look at the water. People come here to walk. Look at that guy right there, y'all. Yeah, I think he is recording.
I was on for a little bit today.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit about everything hurts.
We can actually get on the boardwalk. And there is an ice cream place over there called Scoops. I saw that sign right there. Ooh, the sun is out. See, they've got a nice boardwalk this way. They have a nice boardwalk that way. Being by the water just makes me ready to go to the beach. Washington is a older historic town. Most people around here refer to it as Little Washington. Oh, there's ribeyes. Remember we heard about it, but I didn't know where it was. Yeah. They've probably been out fishing. Wonder if they caught anything. Mm-hmm. And then on the other sides, they have older buildings, the backside of restaurants. There is ribeyes. It's a steakhouse. So we're hoping to find something good to eat downtown. My girlfriend Brandy, hey Brandy, suggested down on Main. Just in the mood for probably a good burger and fries. Do you all have a area in your town like this? Oh yeah, that is his job. He must be. There's a guy that looks like he's walking, videoing. Look at the name of that boat. It says Island Girl. They also have nice swings scattered about that you can sit at and swing and really enjoy the water. So this is the view from the bench. They also have benches like that that are also randomly placed so people can just sit and relax and enjoy the beautiful weather. This would be a nice place to come and walk. You got a guy that's coming this way. He's running. So people exercise. I'm sure they're out here early in the mornings as well, just enjoying the view. Ooh, they have like a little dock right here so that you can get in and out of your boats, tie your boat off. I believe there's a place around here where people can rent like kayaks and things like that. But yeah. So I thought I would just bring you all along. Just to do something different when you need to get out of the house and get some fresh air. They even have a Washington Visitor Center. I hope it's not too windy for y'all. Hope you can still hear me okay. There's a new gazebo. I know this was not here before, so I'm going to take you all over there. They've got all these different benches as well. So there is no fishing from the pier. There's a sign. You can tell how the wind has picked up. Look at the water. It's a little choppy out here. Friends, as you walk down further on the waterfront, they have a playground for the little kiddos. They also have a big gazebo over there. They have different performances and things like that out here. They have another big gazebo. It's just so nice and relaxing out here. Look at this, y'all. This is called the Sea Script. Look how big this boat is. Okay, friends, we're coming to the other end of the walkway, and those are apartments, friends. Wow, what a view they have of the water, the boats, the road, and everything.